In this video, you will learn how to create a talking AI avatar that you can use in your affiliate videos or any faceless content. It's super easy. So on top, go to Product and come down to Talking Avatar. Once you're there, just hit Get Started. And now here you can upload an avatar, like an image, or you can generate an avatar. So for this video, we are generating an avatar based on a description that you can give it. Here you can specify what the avatar would look like. You can put in a name, age, ethnic, gender, clothing, and background. So we're gonna just leave it as is now, but in the description, we're gonna paste in a prompt. We're gonna say, in the description, we're gonna just say, keep the camera fixed and keep the person centered in the frame. Make sure that the person's hands remain out of the frame while they are talking, and add slight head movement to make it feel natural. And we're going to hit Generate Avatar. And now we have the avatar generated, and on the bottom is a script. Here is where you can paste in a written content for the avatar to speak. So for this example, we're going to just have it say, if you are interested, be sure to check out the first link in the description. We're going to use this as our call to action, and then we're going to have the AI avatar speak it. And now we can pick a voice that we want, and now we're going to have it speak it by hitting Generate Audio. So we're going to play the script and see how it sounds.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
And now let's hit Generate Premium Results and see what we get. You can create a original size video, or you can click on this to change the pixel size to like a vertical format video, or like a square video for Facebook and Instagram. For this example, we're going to just select original, and we're going to hit Generate and see what we get. Okay, now the generation is completed. Let's play it and see what we get.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
Well, it's not too bad, but the lips doesn't really match what's being spoken, and the video doesn't seem that perfect, but it's okay. For something like this, you will shrink the avatar into like a little icon on the bottom of the video so that the imperfection doesn't seem too obvious for the people watching. But to be honest, the voiceover doesn't sound exactly the way we want it. It doesn't sound too natural. And this is where we will use 11 Labs instead, because here you can actually upload an audio file to go with it. And now actually let's switch over to 11 Labs and let's generate the same call to action inside 11 Labs to see what we get. So inside 11 Labs, we can hit text to speech on the left side column. And here we're going to just paste in the content. And we have selected this voice profile that has a social media tone of voice to it. And here on the model, we're going to select multilingual version 2 to give us the most realistic voiceover. And for the stability, we're going to just keep everything as is for now. And now let's hit to Generate Speech.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
Well, that sounds not bad. Download right here. Save it into a folder. And now let's hop back into AKOOL. And here now we can upload audio, upload a file we just generated using 11 Labs.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
And now we can combine this voiceover with this avatar. So let's do that right now. Okay, the video is completed. Let's play it and see what we get.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
Not bad. Now this is exactly how to create an AI avatar using a text prompt. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it using a real life footage of a UGC content creator.